Hello drafters, today I've got something exciting to show you, and that is the Cyberbrick Ultimate Hardware Kit. I finally received this from the Kickstarter campaign, and I suppose it's time to unbox it and see what's in there. And along with that, I also have the Cyberbrick time-lapse hardware kit. So this would be an interesting one to check out as well, because you can do time-lapse from cameras like this DSLR. And stick around because I'll also show you what my first print has been for Cyberbricks, which is this organization box. This is based on the Gridfinity layout. So it comes with all these compartments which will fit the hardware components into these individual containers. So we'll take a look at that later on in the video. First up, let's take a look at the Cyberbrick time-lapse hardware kit. So inside here, you'll get a small package with some very small screws, and then you also have the hardware module as well. So the point of these Cyberbrick hardware kits is that you get these modules which you can program, and then you 3D print the enclosure. So in this case, this is the time-lapse hardware kit. It's basically just a small PCB with a USB port. It's got a 4-pin connector and also a 6-pin connector, which is connecting to the printer, and a small connector here as well, which looks like it would connect to maybe the camera. So we'll look into this in another video on actually setting up for time-lapse videography with the hardware kit, but that's what you get in this kit. Now moving on to the Ultimate Hardware Kit. So I got this through the Kickstarter campaign. It took a few weeks to actually arrive in the shipping, and it's been sitting on my desk for a little bit. So I haven't actually taken a look at anything inside this box yet, but this is the biggest kit, I believe. You get 2 vehicles and 2 controllers of hardware. Let's open this up and see what's inside. All right, well, looks like there's quite a bit in here. So we'll just start with this one. You get some Bambu lab stickers and decals, which I think you could use for your 3D prints and putting that on the prints themselves. And there is a ton of stuff in here. So I suppose let's just dump it. Okay. All right, it's going to be tricky going through all this. You get a small instruction book which takes you through, I suppose, some basic instructions. It looks like you get some battery housing. This looks like a battery charger. There are some tires, joystick controls, another joystick control. So I should have 4 of these, yep, because you can make 2 vehicles and 2 remotes from this kit. These are probably bearings. Oh no, these are batteries. So you have some rechargeable LiPo batteries, 2 of those, a bunch of fasteners, some rope of some sort. I'm not too sure what that module is, maybe some sort of controller. I believe this one is the main hardware controller. So this one here, I think, is what a lot of the components will connect to. And the cool thing about Cyberbricks is it all uses plug and play connectors, so there's really no soldering involved, I believe. Lubrication grease, some really small magnets, some little DC motors, some kind of control lever, some springs. Not sure what this is, some kind of port outlet. This looks like a button, some more motors, some more buttons, more controllers, more springs, an on-off switch. There's some very small gearings. These look to be LEDs. Some more gears, a little servo motor. So that's everything in the kit. So the next thing, I suppose, is actually building something. I'll probably do the forklift first or something, or maybe the crane. Not too sure yet. But let's try to use the Gridfinity organizer and put some of these in. So as you can see, this is the Gridfinity. It's based on the Gridfinity system, so they will have the standard template, but these parts have already been designed for holding different components. I'll put a link to the model in the description of the video so you can download this for yourself and organize your parts if you need. So for example, this will be definitely for the gears. So if we take a look at that, And we can see this is single axis plastic reduction gear, and they all have barcodes, part numbers, so if you ever need to order more of these, you can go on the Bambu Lab store and order them. All right, and I suppose it's just a bit of a puzzle to see where everything, I'm not sure where you'd put these two pins, probably there I suppose. I think it would fit something like that. I'm not too sure about this tiny little one, just under here if you can see it. But that's kind of the idea. And then once you organize everything, you can put it in here and close it up and everything's nice and organized. These are all stackable and should fit all the parts. There's some that I'm missing to print, so I should print them off. But I'll have to go through and see how this all goes together and complete the kit. So that's all for this video. I suppose I'm going to have to dig into this and start building something. So if you're interested in Cyberbricks, definitely check out the Facebook group that I've created. If you found value in this video, then please consider subscribing to the channel, and thanks for watching.